Whispered hellos from the cryptic realms of AVATUS. Ever felt like carving out a private nook in the vast universe just for you and some special avatars? Prepare for a stellar reveal. Steer your cosmic vessel towards the familiar side panel. Glide silently to events. Tap New Event and lay the first brick for your confidential gathering. Note from the shadows. Our web interface lets you meticulously craft your event, but for the grand unveil, our AVATUS app is the key. Swipe it from the digital cosmos. Paint your covert gathering with a picture that speaks 1,000 unsaid words. Dive into the deets, an enigmatic name, the right dome as its backdrop. A description that teases more than it reveals. Pinpoint your chosen moment in time and space. Here's where the magic truly unfurls. Toggle the private event mode. It's like wrapping your event in an invisibility cloak. The doors to your event aren't wide open to the universe. Handpick your star guests and send out those cosmic invites. Once the stage is set, hit create. Voila! Your private stellar haven is ready for the chosen ones. In the vast expanse of AVATUS, you've now carved out a space that's exclusively yours.